Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Dear students, how are you? I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Dear students, today I am going to conduct an ICT class for the students of class 8, and our today's topic is chapter 1, lesson 5, and our today's lecture 5. Okay, so let's come to the board. Dear students, chapter 1 lesson 5 is about the application of ICT in government activities. That means how the government are getting benefit from ICT. Okay, dear students, I have summarized the whole lesson here, and if you just look at or watch the video, then it would be very much easier for you to evaluate what is written here. You all know that our country is a poor country, and poverty alleviation, that means to reduce the poverty, is the hardest task of our government, and our government is working for it. And as a result, we need digitalization in every aspect. Okay, and for that, enacting law and its regulations, the government need to enact laws and its regulations to reduce poverty or to reduce corruption or something like that, and by doing that the government needs the help of ICT. Then publishing government circulars. Dear students, nowadays you know that the government circulars are nowadays published by government through internet, and this is done only for the advancement of information and communication technology. Then enacting laws and regulations of or amendments. Nowadays, if government enact any law, then to inform it to the mass people, government use internet, and it takes the help of information and communication technology. And then communicating important events and memorable days. Dear students, nowadays you know that, imagine that 26 March is our national day. Okay, so you find that on that day you receives or your parents receives messages from mobile phone, and they remind us through the government reminds us through that message about that memorable day. So in every memorable day or in any important events, our government communicate with us by sending such kind of messages, and this is one of the benefits of information and communication technology. After that, government service on doorstep. That means by staying at home, which services we get by the help of or by the advancement of ICT. They are e-settlements, records, e-book, e-permit, results of public examination, e-health care, online income tax, return submission, then money transfer, then utility bill payment, transport, and online registration. All these services are called doorstep services. Because why it's called doorstep service? Because nowadays all these services are available or we can get it by staying at home. Nowadays for e-settlement means the records of our lands. Before few years we can see that the records of our lands, to find it was very much difficult task. We need to go to that land office, then go to that officer's room, then call him to find or search the result or the information. Then he need to go his storehouse and for seeing that data, then he was able to find the information. But nowadays we don't need to go there. By staying home, by the help of any device, through the help of internet, we can see e-settlement within a moment by staying at home. Then e-book. Dear students, Nowadays, your ICT book is available to you, but before few days, when I took first of this class, ICT class of this year, on that time you did not get your textbook. As a result, I told you to download it from our NCTB website, and you all already downloaded it, and you read the book from here, because on that time the textbook was not available at our school. So dear students, this is the benefit of ebook. That means by staying home you can read it and you can get it. E-permit. Nowadays few institutions needs to permission of the government, need to get permission of the government, and for this reason they apply for getting registration online, and by doing this they can get the permission. Results of public examinations. Dear students, nowadays most of the results of public exams are sent through short message or internet. So it's also available. It also has become available by the help of ICT, and all of you got your class 5's PSE exams result through mobile phone. So, but before few years it was not possible. Even in our times we need to accept or get our result by going to the board or by going to the respected schools or colleges. Then e-healthcare. Nowadays by dialing any specific digits we can get e-healthcare. That means by staying home we can get the help of health, and this is rendered by our government. Online income tax return and submission also done by internet nowadays. Then money transfer. Before few years money transfer was very much hardest task. That means one need to go to bank, then he need to transfer that money in another bank account. But nowadays it has become very much easier. Nowadays Bcash, Rocket, Ucash, then Nogod, all are available for money transfer. So one can send or transfer money from one place to another without any hesitation, without going to shop or without going to bank. Utility bill payment. Dear students, you know that nowadays DESCOs, then our internet bill, water bill, all bills can be paid by the help of ICT, okay, by the help of mobile banking or other something. Then transport. Nowadays all the transports, ticket or placement or hotel, all the things can be booked by the help of internet, and this is done only by the help of ICT. Then online registration. Dear students, online registration is another benefit of ICT. One can get, one non-government organization can get the registration of our government by the help of ICT, and they can apply through online, and by doing this they can get registration. And your HW or homework number 3 is make 5 MCQ, and its submission date is 27 February 2021. This was all about our chapter 1 lesson 5's task. I hope you all have understood today's lecture, and for your better understanding you must go through your textbook, read it again and again, and then watch the video again and again. Then it would be very much easier for you, although it's very much easiest topic for you. So this is all about today's class. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.